You are going to love the 2018 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, dual exhaust, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, dual power seats, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cloth upholstery. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.